Coco didn't want any parts in this video today. It's shocking, isn't it? Tell me about it. I'm not used to doing this without a chihuahua on my lap. Let me not get too used to this. Can you stop doing that in the background? She takes naps until it's time for me to actually get things done in this house. So I did something I shouldn't have. I bought some things at Sephora. I mean, in my defense though, it's these two eyeshadow palettes have been out of stock for a long time and I had to get them while I still could. This is a my mini haul. We're gonna put all this stuff on our face. Honestly, I don't think y'all wanna see me draw on my eyebrows and stuff, so we'll be back. We're gonna go in with the Natasha Denona and I'm going to use the shade Seed to set my lid. I thought it said Harlow for a second. Harlow. So I'm not really good at talking through these things. So what I'm basically doing, I'm just deepening my crease and then bringing it out. I was really trying to just concentrate this in the crease, but you can tell it got a little out of hand really fast. Next color we're going to go in with, oh man, this is a tough one. Where are the shade names on here? Sorry guys, no shade names. We're gonna go in with this one. I just love purple shadow because it really just makes brown eyes pop. You know what I'm saying? Like my eyes be looking like pools of honey. Girl. So I'm gonna start right here. It's okay if you get some on the bottom, but I'm trying to not cut it too high. And we're gonna go to like kind of a little after where your eyeball ends. Give me more, give me more, give me more, give me more. I really be trying to do a simple look, but it just don't be panning out like that. Like everything I do has to be extra for some reason, but you know, it is what it is. You see how it starts and it just keeps going till like my whole face is covered in white. Oh, let us pray. And commence. Violet Voss, a big hill on its own heart. Honestly, every palette I've had from Violet Voss, I've never been disappointed. So we're gonna go back in with trash one, and we're gonna blend out the edges a little bit with some brush. We're gonna put that on top. That's normally what I do. I just stamp it in and I just bring it out. And then I blend the middle out. And then I clean the rest up with the wipe. I don't use them tapes at the end and stuff. That's a waste of money. I just wipe out all the fallout. I have like no self-control. That's why I do eyeshadow first. Okay guys, we're gonna use this Dior primer. Little sample, little baby sign. Ooh. It don't feel silicone-y. I mean, this is Dior. So you're paying a pretty penny for this. I hope it's good. I mean, even though it was free. Oh great, look at that. But we gotta fix that eyebrow, girl. I don't know what's happening today, but so far, train wreck. Oh boy, why did I film today? All right, guys, we're going to try the Stellar. This kind of looks like the Huda or the NARS foundation, but this is a plastic, not a glass one. Okay, here we go. Ooh, that's really yellow. I don't remember what the coverage is on this, but it's seeming to be like medium when I brush it out. I feel like I could have went a shade up, but this looks so dark online. I was terrified. Really scared. Brown shade on my face. Let's not forget Between the Brows. You remember that show on PBS Kids? It was like Between the Lions or something, and there was like a bunch of lions in the library. It's really weird. I wonder, like, most of these people that come up with these kid shows ideas, are they like on drugs or something? Because I would never think of like talking lions in the library. Just saying. Do we want to see if this is buildable? Let's see if it's buildable. Ooh, we like this. We like this. It's got a skin-like finish, for sure. Like, it's not matte, but it's not super dewy. And it still looks like skin. Go outside like this now. Hey, neighbor. How you doing? You gonna take my Amazon package again? I was wondering, do you guys want to see me try a natural makeup look with minimal makeup? Leave a comment down below. I'll accept your challenge. I need to stop. Oh god, my back always hurts because I'm like sitting like a lawn chair. I know my nose looks crazy right now, but trust me, it's gonna look good. It's gonna give you the Michael Jackson nose that Michael Jackson wanted, but never was able to achieve because he went overboard. We're going to contour the rest of the face. I really like this foundation though. Like, it's not too light and it's not too dark. It's just right, just like Goldilocks's part. No bears were harmed in the making of this video though. I usually blend this out. God, I'm washing my brush. Ooh, I'm gonna use the IT Cosmetics brush then. Yeah, we're gonna use the IT Cosmetics airbrush. Gotta look like a dehydrated fish out of water. You know who's a good inspiration? You remember that show Tales from the Crypt? The Crypt Keeper? You want your cheekbones to be sucked to heaven like his. Bring some shade to the fat rolls so the light don't hit them as much. Okay, so the nose, what I typically do is I'll take a brush like, this is a Tarte concealer brush, and I'm gonna blend this out on my nose first. So I usually take the brush and I start stamping in the line. I start stamping it in, and then I'll blend it out with a sponge. I just don't want to disrupt the makeup on my nose because I have a hard time keeping makeup on my nose. I don't know if other of you have a hard time like with the opposite side of their face that they're like not used to using. I don't know, but it's hard. And then just go over it with the sponge. I don't know if you notice a difference, but I feel like it makes my nose smaller. And then I just put a little bit of highlighter right there and right there. And we in business. Bring it around town. Bring it around town. Okay, set my whole face. And we gonna press a little bit. I don't really like to put too much under my eyes. Oh my god, my legs hurt from the gym. Okay, and then I'm gonna switch over to the bigger side of the sponge, and then I'm gonna put powder on the rest of my face just to set a hand so I don't go. And this like sinks in really fast, so I go over with the sponge really quick and just spread it out. I've tried before like where I'll pat where I want the powder and then try to blend it, and it just sits there and I hate it and it's terrible, so don't do that. So I tend to crease in my smile line, so I put powder. But when I do powder, I go like this. This foundation and this powder is like really a good combination. I really am enjoying this right now. You know, I'm not gonna judge this off what's happening on my nose because my nose today was having a mind of its own with my allergy sneezing every 50 seconds. Okay, we're going to take a small brush and then do the nose. Same powder. This is such a pretty corally apricot color. I used to hate blush, but I can't go without it now. It's so good. So good. This is the Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist. I damn near use almost the whole bottle. But it really melts the powder to your face. Oh, so pretty. We'll do some in the inner corner because I just can't get enough of this. I need more. What do we want? More. When do we want it? Now. Give it somebody. Then we'll do some more up here too. Yeah, I think we're just gonna go with that inner corner moment. That's like, that's where it's at, girl. This video gonna be long, so I'm going to wrap this up. Gonna throw on some lashes and lip and my wig. We gonna finish this out. So guys, I finished my lip. But don't forget to like this video so I can be thrown in the YouTube algorithm. Come on, I'm giving my channel CPR right now. Comment down below any suggestions, any ideas, any challenges you want to see me do. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and ring that little notification bell so you can be the first to watch a new video. And stay safe, guys. Wash your hands and your ass. Bye.